Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung will launch Galaxy S25 Ultra early next year, and it will have new features, but there are 5 specific reasons that you should be excited about this upcoming flagship. The display. Screen is the key attraction for Samsung's Ultra devices, and S24 led this segment with slimmer bezels. It is equipped with a 6.8-inch rounded corners display with Quad HD Plus resolution and 120Hz max refresh rate. Based on recent reports, the S25 Ultra will refine the display and round the corners alongside the middle frame. Unlike its predecessor, this new device will have a flat frame to highlight the slim display sides. It'll be the first time Samsung will opt for a flat frame compared to a curved end. The performance. Galaxy S25 Ultra will use Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile processor. This chipset brings 45% performance improvement, 44% power efficiency boost, and a larger shared data cache. Its new Adreno GPU has a better architecture with 40% performance improvement and 40% gaming frame efficiency. Snapdragon 8 Elite's 45% hexagon NPU can boost 45% performance in AI task handling and similar enhancement in performance per watt. The new chip can support longer token inputs. The camera. S25 Ultra will use a 200MP main camera, 10MP secondary telephoto with 3x zoom, and 50MP primary periscope zoom with 5x zoom. These camera specs are identical to the previous Ultra model, but a new change will come with a 50MP ultra wide angle. The next-gen S series is likely to retain a 5000 mAh battery from its predecessor with 45W fast charging. However, new software and chipsets could improve the power efficiency and extend its battery life. The software. One UI 7 will debut with Galaxy S25 devices with new graphical changes. For example, the new One UI has refreshed quick settings, looks, and interactiveness. Aside from UI, the company has made minor tweaks to simplify the interface. It has worked through essential parts of the system such as settings and in-device searches with AI. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.